Azerbaijan pays one of the highest fees in Formula One, around $56 million per year, even though it is not one of the richest countries in the world. At first, this seems strange. Why would a country with a lower average income spend more than many wealthier nations just to host a race? The answer is simple. For Azerbaijan, Formula One is not about profit, it is about strategy. The race in Baku is used as a global advertisement. For one weekend, millions of people around the world see the city, its skyline, and its modern image. This helps the government present Azerbaijan as a developed, attractive, and forward-looking country. In many ways, the event is less about sport and more about perception. It allows the country to shape how it is seen internationally, which is often described as using soft power. Tourism is another important reason. Even if the race itself does not make money directly, it brings in thousands of international visitors. These visitors spend heavily on hotels, restaurants, and transport. Over time, this creates a wider economic impact that can be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. So while the hosting fee is high, the overall economic activity helps justify the cost. Azerbaijan is also in a unique financial position. The country has significant income from oil and gas exports, which make up a large part of its economy. This gives the government access to large amounts of state revenue, even if the average citizen is not as wealthy as people in Western Europe. In other words, the country itself can afford the race, even if its population is not among the richest. Another key factor is status. Newer Formula One venues like Baku do not have the long history of famous races such as the Monaco Grand Prix or the British Grand Prix at Silverstone. Because of this, Formula One charges them much higher fees to be part of the calendar. Established tracks often pay less because of their legacy and importance to the sport, while newer locations must pay a premium to secure their place. When compared to cheaper races, the difference becomes clear. Traditional circuits in Europe often pay significantly lower hosting fees, sometimes less than half of what Azerbaijan pays. These tracks rely on history, fan attendance, and long-term relationships with Formula One. Azerbaijan, on the other hand, is effectively buying global attention and visibility.